Nakabentaban pensuthu yakinong shong shnong halako hok jongi kinthei ka office jong ka district social welfare officer mentaga sngi ka lapnlong yaka program bakarpang bashisngi nakabenta ki kinthei ha Veni Hall St Peters Pendengre Nongstoin ha ka bakilong kimi bat ki samla kinthei kilawan manishim menta ha ka jingdon lang jong uba HK Thawa Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khas Hill District Kumu Kongsan Shwaban yo yagajing pinshay na ki resource person hakani kesngi la yo yagajing kran nau ba HK Thawa kumu kongsan hakba wala ong ba ya ka hok jong ki kenthei la itho kerpang da kariti senshar kari ba la thaur ya ki an ki ba kerpang na ka benta banya da ya ki kenthei hakari hi boro ka wei hakati kesngi la panya yagajing lang da ikong VC war DSWO haringkat ka jingadon lang jong ki officer na ki pat kitna trekam bakenthum yo ba W Shabong CDPO ba B Kharjana Deputy Superintendent of Police Crime Branch kong K Marwain nong site ein but Dr. Z Marak District Medical Health Officer
One of the least talked about subjects in our state, in our professional life, in our district, in our department is the sexual harassment of women at the workplace. Sexual harassment may not have been reported in our district or in your department, but we strongly believe that it is there, but it is either being suppressed, hidden, or not reported at all. The Constitution of India, as we all know, has certain provisions and articles to safeguard the dignity of each individual, be it a male, a female, or a transgender. We all know that in the preamble to the Indian Constitution, it is clearly mentioned and guaranteed the dignity of the individual. The preamble to the Indian Constitution also guaranteed the justice in social, economic, and political field. I think all of you know that we have 6 fundamental rights, 2 of which are the right to equality and the right against exploitation. The preamble, the fundamental rights, and the freedoms, they are inadequate to protect the woman from being subjected to sexual harassment at the workplaces, not to mention outside the workplaces. We see in the news nearly every day the women are being sexually assaulted, being harassed everywhere, be it in the road, be it in the market, be it in the workplaces. The matter of it is deal with the other acronyms, the CRPC and the IPC. Though this act has come into effect since 2013, most of the government departments are completely unaware of this act. Any of you are aware of this act? If you are aware, can you raise your hand? Any government employees are aware of this act? Which act? I think most of you are not aware of this act. As per this act, every government department, your department, has to constitute an internal complaint committee. Every department has to constitute one committee. That committee has to be presided by a female officer.